झिकोच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाला ब्राझिलान बऱ्यापैकी प्री सीझन ट्रेनिंग करून आता FC गोवा नागवा ग्राउंडार फाटले 2 दीस जाले प्रॅक्टिस करता. टीमीन खुबशे नवे प्लेयर आशिल्ल्यान अजून खेळगडे एकमेकाक समजून घेतात.
It's been a good trip for us in Brazil. We had a good pre-season and good training over there, good facilities under Coach Zico and in his Zico Academy. And it's the team is doing quite good. It's too early to say anything about the team because once the tournament starts, we will get to know what's the positives and of the team. And overall the team is quite good.
फाटली 2 वर्सां कलकत्ताक खेळिल्लो डेन्झिल म्हणटा, दिग्गज ब्राझिलियन कोच झिकोचे कोचिंग तंत्रांतल्यान ताका नवो अणभव मेळटा.
Something different from what I've been training under Habas in the last 2 years in Calcutta. Of course, it's really nice to be working under Coach Zico. He's a legend in football. He's been doing some good job with techniques with us. He's been giving us some good informations about football, and I'm looking forward to play under him for a longer time. Since this is my first year with FC Goa, I'm just trying to be as much as I can take out the positives from the training what he gives. Unfortunately, I'm injured at this moment. I'm recovering, but slowly I will definitely be on the field.
FC गोवाच्या फॅन्सांची सालिगांवच्या डेन्झिलान तोखणाय केली.
Keep cheering. You guys are really good. I've seen this for the last 2 years, 2 ISLs when I came to play against FC Goa, and I felt, besides the love what we give the players, I think that's the most important thing what a player requires. Keep doing that. We love you, and we are going to give our best on the.
प्रुडंटा खातीर दत्तराज नाईक.